Guys, like I said, stay away from Bitcoin because the price is gonna crash soon. And I guess explain to you why I give this prediction for Bitcoin. I'll show you right now. You see it up here when Bitcoin was around $18,000, $21,000, and the same time you see the RSI. It's give you a clear signal of divergence, guys. Take a look at this. This is divergence, bearish. When this happen, the price tend to crashing down. And like I said, if you check my last videos, I recommend you to put a buy order at Bitcoin at $10,000, guys. That's what I'm doing right now because $10,000 is the main support of Bitcoin. Okay, so I put my $3 million buy order of $10,000. Okay, now let's talk about trade crypto pumps, guys. The only trade I share in the private list on the last 4 days was DFI.Money. And I shared this trade in the private list on November 7. You bought this coin for $13.26 and you put a sell order right here, $2,000. We made around 50%. I made $5,000. And I tell you why, guys. You see down here, this little candle here, it's called volume spike. In order to I find those coins, guys, my software is calculating volume spike plus buyer power. That's how I find those pumps, guys. The another pump here was proper, but I didn't share this trade in the private list because I didn't feel secure to private list members buy this specific pump because the price of Bitcoin was continue crashing down. Like I mentioned before, guys, if you don't like to trade crypto, we can trade for you. Also, don't worry about Bitcoin when you should buy or sell Bitcoin. I will alert you when you should buy and sell Bitcoin. And also, I will alert you when you should buy Bitcoin on the rest of the main coins like Ethereum, BNB, Cardano, Solana. You already know how this channel works. Subscribe, guys. Let's increase this family. Let's trade together. Together we are strong. Everybody lose money. We made 50% profit. I made $5,000. I'm happy. Wait for the next video. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.